human lover, showing kindness to all creatures. As an honor student, Aliyah consistently strives for excellence in her studies, balancing academics with her personal interests. Raised by her parents, who has also been her role models, Mr. Raul and Mrs. Irene Barcelona. She upholds strong values of strength, responsibility, and perseverance. She believes that with hard work and determination, she can achieve anything she sets her mind to. In this pageant, Aliyah aims to showcase her talents, positive attitude, and